Hello guys, today I'm going to show you what I did just to get my ringtone just to be free.
I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't.
So let me show you. First, download this app called Garage Ringtone. First, you might have to do a bunch of things, but press anything that you imported from, like video library, like this.
I hear your heart.
It's so cute.
If you're gonna do a challenge,
Just copy it out.
if you're gonna do a challenge, you gotta go all the way. Don't do it like that. If you're gonna do a challenge, you gotta go all the way. Don't do it like that. Do it like this.
I hear your heart beat to the beat of the drums.
See, that's how you do it today, guys. And say thank you to me. And like the video and subscribe for more content. Let's see if we try to get to 500 subscribers this year. On December 10th. See you guys later. Bye.